Hello, beta. Please write down some assignment questions. The first one are true or false. I will share the solutions with you also, but write down the question. So, first, the unemployment rate tends to be high during recession and low in expansion. Better write down the second question. Most workers are typically paid reservation wage. Better write down the third part. It may be in the best interest of employers to pay wage higher than reservation wage. Write down the second true or false, beta. The natural rate of unemployment is unaffected by policy changes. That's the first question of your assignment, beta, where you have to do true, false. Write down the second question of the assignment from this chapter. So you're given that markup of goods price over marginal cost is 5%. Right, beta? Markup of goods cost over marginal cost, goods price over marginal cost is 5%. So first, find real wage. Second, find natural rate of unemployment. Right? Third, suppose markup increases to 10%. What happens to natural rate of unemployment? Okay, if markup increases to 10%, what happens to natural rate of unemployment? Better here the equation is given to you as W is equal to P 1 minus U. This equation is given to you as the wage setting equation. Right? And you have to do these questions. I hope this is clear. Okay, so these are the two questions that you have to do for the assignment, and then I will meet you in the next class. Thank you.